Amidst a snowstorm of love. Genres, romance, sports. Number of episodes, 30. Aired February 2nd, 2024. On Dragon TV and Tencent Video. Story. Former professional snooker genius Lin Yi Yang met the popular nine-ball player Yin Guo on a rare snowstorm night. With the help of Yin Guo's cousin, they got to know each other. Lin Yi Yang was once a famous snooker genius. In a match, he unintentionally offended the judge due to the objection of penalty. He was unsatisfied with the judgment and announced his retirement directly. As a result, he quit the professional snooker. Yin Guo's appearance changed his life. He fell in love with Yin Guo. Cast: Leo Wu as Lin Yi Yang, Zhao Jin Mai as Yin Guo.